out of strength, I've run out of choice. I tried so hard to fix the pain, but every step just led to rain. I've been so stubborn, so blind, so proud, but I'm broken now. Can you pull me out? Heal me, Lord, I can't do this alone. I'm tired of the silence, I'm tired of the storm. Take this heart that's falling apart. Heal me, Lord, I don't know where to start. I fought you, I've blamed you, I've pushed you away, but you're still here, though I've lost my way. I thought I was strong, thought I didn't need grace. Now all I have are tears on my face. If you can hear me, please make me new. Lord, I'm begging, I'm reaching for you. Heal me, Lord, I can't do this alone. I'm tired of the silence, I'm tired of the storm. Take this heart that's falling apart. Heal me, Lord, I don't know where to start. I've got nothing left, no fight, no pride, just a fragile heart and a soul to revive. I've carried this pain, I've carried this fear, but I surrender now. Please draw me near. Heal me, Lord, I'm reaching for you. I've tried everything, but nothing is true. Hold my heart, don't let it break. Heal me, Lord, for heaven's sake. Oh Lord, I'm calling, I'm falling. Heal me, please heal me. You see my soul, you know my pain. You've been with me through every shame. I can't hide from the truth anymore, so I'm laying it down at your door. Take it all, I'm letting go. Heal me, Lord, let your love flow. Heal me, Lord, I give you my all.